Hi students, today we are going to discuss about various defects in extrusion process. There are mainly three types of defects, that is, first one is center cracking, second one is pipe defect, third one is surface cracking. Okay, first of all we can discuss about center cracking. That is, the first diagram shows center cracking. Here the cracks are formed in the center portion of the extruded product. And you can clearly see it in this diagram. Okay, here the central portion of the extruded product may develop some cracks, which are called as internal cracking or central burst or arrowhead fracture, etc. The chances for center cracking increases with increase in die design, presence of impurities and extrusion ratio, etc., and also friction. That is, if we can reduce the chances of occurring of this type of defect by reducing the presence of impurities and by altering the extrusion ratio, friction, etc. Second one is pipe defect. Okay, the metal flow pattern during extrusion may draw the surface defects and impurities towards the center of the billet like a funnel. That is, due to the presence of some impurities, this type of defects occurs, and this is formed in the shape of a funnel. This defect occurs when the friction is high and the metal flow is not uniform. That is, we can avoid this type of defect by reducing the friction rate and by making the metal flow in a uniform rate. This type of defect is also called as tail pipe or fishtailing or simply extrusion defect. That's all. By removing the surface defects and impurities in the billet, the occurrence of this defect can be reduced. Okay. The third one is surface cracking. As the name implies, this type of defect occur in the surface of the extruded product. Okay. That is, this type of defects we can directly see them in the surface of these extruded products. And development of surface cracks are due to the rate of in temperature of billet due to the heat generated by extrusion process. That is, by overheating, this type of defects may occur. When the speed of extrusion is reduced, the temperature and hence chances of the surface crack can be reduced. That is, by slowing down the process and reducing the temperature, this type of defect, that is surface cracking, can be reduced. The general surface cracks are observed with aluminum, magnesium and zinc alloys. These type of metals, metals like aluminum, magnesium, zinc alloys, etc., surface cracking is mostly seen. Okay.